Hello everyone, this is PS Man here. I'm definitely in home base, homestead, air base, Air Force Base, that's what they call it. ¿Qué pasó? Yeah, we're checking some planes instead. Awesome. Yeah, taking videos instead. And also this is just part 3 already. To it, we're just walking by instead on my feet. Oh, and definitely wearing my new shirt called Black Ops 2. Yeah. Yeah, this is amazing, isn't it? This is the U.S. Air Base show instead. This just only celebrates only a year instead, that's all. And check this out. They brought some food, barbecue, and everything else here. Awesome. Oh, and definitely they got model planes here too. Man, we definitely want this with wooden planes instead.